There's a lot of screw driving companies out there, and all of them have their niches. Weber's is way up here. Weber's is typically where everybody else wasn't able to get it done. Is where Weber is really good. Weber is the standard in Ford, is the standard in Tesla. It's definitely the Maserati of screw driving solutions. Some things that make Weber special: precision. Everything is very, very precisely machined. Everything is easy to pop apart, reconfigure. If you've got things going on, if you had a jam or you had a bad screw or a piece of dust or something that came in. The other thing that's interesting is what's called feed while you drive technology. So while you're driving a screw through, this thing flips out, and you can blow another screw in and be waiting, which that means is you can do like 2-second, 1-second cycle times, really, really quick. Weber's got a customer right now in Iowa that's been running a spindle for 15 years. 2-second cycle times, 7 days a week, no breakdowns. 15 years. That's what these guys strive for. This spindle here has a Z-axis. So, in the case of the one that I sent Shane this morning, you could just do a simple XY gantry and use this as your Z, which is pretty nice. It has a transducer on it, a standard motor package. If you're familiar with torque tools or precision DC tool and nut runners, we've got a controller where you can program torque, angle, and then Weber does something different. They do a third dimension called depth. They put a depth sensor right here. I actually have it sitting here. We can measure the depth within less than 1/1000th of an inch. So you know you're watching torque, you're watching angle, and you're also watching the depth of which that screw goes down and knowing that it hits the final depth and didn't get caught up on a burr, didn't strip, didn't do some other things. Especially useful for self-tapping applications. You cannot use just torque and angle to know that a screw driving operation's been done correctly on a self-tapping, because you don't know how long it takes to drill that hole on self-tapping. So that's Weber.